All right, folks, how you doing? My name's Jeff from RV Don Ox. Just getting ready to do a winterization on a Tiffin. I believe it's a 2008. It's a Allegro, and it's a Breeze, I believe. Allegro Breeze, 28-foot diesel pusher. Really nice coach. So basically what you had to do is drain all the tanks. All right, that's a simple procedure for a lot of us, but some of us may be new. But you just drain all the water out of your freshwater tank. You open up the lines inside. Here, I'm gonna go inside. You just open up everything, and you're gonna gravitate it down. See, like this. This is open. See, so, and then outside will be open. I'll show you. So you got this. You look in here for an ice machine. Voila! Look at that ice machine. So we have to go outside and make sure that line's drained. Okay. And then, of course, you got your shower. All right. And then, of course, you got your bathroom and toilet, and already drained all that. See, that's open. All right. So I just cut down on time on the video. There's a lot of winterizations videos I'm putting together, but I'm just going over each model, but you get a general idea. So here we go. We're going to go outside. It's a beautiful coach, diesel pusher. All right, look at her. She's inside here where it's semi-warm. It's cold outside now, but in here it's pretty nice. All right, I'll give you a whole view of the thing. There you go. This one fits in here really nice. That's a 28-footer. Look at that. Huh? I'm not used to all this space back here. Look at this, man. Like park a car back here or something. That's going to go outside that generator eventually. I'm going to house it. And this. All right, anyway. So the water station is on driver's side. And I'll show you where the drain valves are. Or low point valves is what people call them. They're drain valves. Right there, both of them. Okay. And I already turned them, so they're pretty much drained. So what I'm going to do is put you on pause. Well, I'm going to see if I can do it. I'm going to turn these off now. They were on. See, when that knob right there is in the same direction as the line flows, that means it's open. To close, it's at right angles or opposite. All right. All right. So now, what you got to do is turn on the light and blind yourself. All right. And I drained all these right here. All right, and the city water connection and tank flush, and there's the water pump. All right, so right there's your water pump. And this is the suction side or input side from your tank. Remember, so you go in. There you go. That's a little better. All right, look at that now. So we're going to take this one off right here. That comes from your fresh water tank. Probably going to get a little bit of water out. Not much though. Let's see. Look at that. We drained that bad boy good. All right, so now you're going to take this hose that you can make yourself. You can get these little fittings right here. The same one that was on there, right? You can get them offline or whatever. So I'm going to screw this on there. Okay. And then this other end of the hose goes into your gallon jug of RV antifreeze, which is food safe. All right, it won't hurt you. So I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna set that up. Remember, I'm just gonna screw this where this came off of on there. All right, put you on pause. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Don Ox. Be right back with you. All right, so here we are. We have to put the water heater tank and bypass, so we're going to go over it. In this model Tiffin, the Breeze, it's under the kitchen sink because it's in the slide actually. So is the stove, the sink, and all that, and the water heater. So we had to take this panel out, and what we got is some manufacturers are still using these square bit drives. See the screw? It's got a square bit in it, which is called a Robinson or just a square bit. I'd say right there. And this happens to be a number 2. Your 2 and your 4s are your most common one. 2 is the most common. So we took this little panel out right here. All right. modify this for them so they don't have to worry about it. But right back here. All right, there we go. We're gonna get my old butt up in there. Now we'll go over a couple things. See, notice the valve is in line with the PEX tubing or the tubing or the hose. It doesn't matter what you want to call it. I just want you to learn it. All right, now, so to bypass it, right now, cold water comes in, hot water goes out. All right, so we're gonna, 1, turn that one. 2, notice how that's the same direction as the water going in, so we're gonna turn that one the opposite. All right, there you go. See, them two are the opposite. Now, if you look back there, you see that one? I'm getting ready to get it for you. Of course, it's right in an easy place, right? All right, so that one is the opposite between the blue, the cold, and the red and the hot. So we're going to flow this now. So before, the water came here, went in the tank, went out. Well, now it can't go past this point because the valve is shut. The hot water can't back flush here, all right, because some of them have a check valve in this. Now it goes by, so it's in bypass. So when I start filling this up with the antifreeze, it don't fill that tank up, okay? All right, so that there had to be done. Now, when you see these little things, these electrical quick connects, you want to look at them for being burnt. Just a little side note right now to show you this one. That's clear. See that right there? You want to make sure they're not burning or discoloring, because then that's an issue. All right. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Remember, I'm not a professional video. Far from it, but I'll tell you what, my videos will be very informative for you. We'll keep some technical jargon out and we'll just keep rolling. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to go back out there. All right, we'll put you on pause. So what I did was just fill a bucket up, but you can do it a gallon at a time, but you got to catch it, all right? And I turned all the valves inside off. These are off. All right, now remember, there we go. We'll stick this hose down in there. All right, and there we go. We'll go inside. That's about 3.5 gallons there. All right, let me get the pump going for you. All right, let's see. Hold on. Oh, we can hear it loading up. Okay. So I'm gonna put this one back on. We gotta get the shower. So look at that, it's going down. See the level? All right, so I'm gonna shut it off for now, the pump. All right, I'm gonna go inside, make sure I don't have no leaks, because I didn't pressure check all this. All right, folks, a little extra caution. I drained the water tank like I showed you before. I've already flushed this one. That's on another one for winterizing. No sense in being super redundant, but you know. All right, so got it all filled up. We did have a little problem on the other side. We got that fixed. Don't worry about it. Here we go. Now, I got this tight. What I'm gonna do is put that in there, the outside shower, okay? All right, there she goes. She pressurized. Now here, I don't want to get myself squirted here. And of course, right, I'm gonna have a problem. Let me put you on pause. All right, so here we go. We're gonna turn it on. We got the tank out of it already. All right, now turn that one off. Turn this one on. Oh, we got a little bit of air, of course. Wait, there you go. Let it flow. I see some pinky. There she goes, folks. She's turning. I'll do that one first because it helps get a lot of air out of the line. It'll drain it all. There you go. Alright, so we really ain't losing them. We're just kind of recirculating. Alright, once again, I'll get them both open. All right, now I'm gonna show you a common mistake. You see how I'm getting ready to turn the shower head off? If you leave this one open and this one open, your hot and cold will mix and you'll lose your hot water quickly. So please, righty-tighty on these. All right, and there you go, that's filled up. All right, now we're gonna go inside and water pump's on and turned off by itself. It's showing me the pressure switch is good. All right, there's good old Tiffin emblem, boy. Bob Tiffin. I got to shake his hand. Sit down and talk with him a little bit. That's pretty neat. I think he started out with irrigation pumps or something like that. He was dead. All right, so here we are. Beautiful coach. All right, so I'm going to start right here. And I just let it go. Watch it. Keep going, keep going. She's going to turn pink eventually. Oh, there's that water coming out. Oh, there she is. She's got pink, pink, pink. All right, we let a little run down in there. It don't matter. It ain't going to freeze. I'll go to this side. Now, I blew a lot of that out. Look at that. There she goes. She's a turning pink. She's a turning pink. Shut it off. All right, so the ice, I did the ice maker already out there, but I'm going to show you. We're going into the shower. Da, 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 da. Famous head on there, right? Turn it on and off. All right. So, okay. There you go. Wait till it turns pink. Oh, there you go. And hang in there. There it goes. It's turning pink. All right, let it go a little bit. Oh yeah, she's draining good. All right, here we go. We did this side. Whoa, we got a big spurt there. All right, it's coming out clear. Hang in there. It's gonna be pink. There you go. Usually we get that air bubble. All right, there she is. She's pink. And this stuff don't stain, so you don't have to worry about it. Let me try the other side again, just for general measure. All right, and then I seal this one right here. And I turn them off. All right, so you got antifreeze everywhere. Some people take the heads off, you know. I just put antifreeze in. All right, let's turn the light on. All right, now here we go. There we go. We're gonna get that stuff filled up, get that air out. Let's go out there and make sure we didn't suck all that stuff up. They tell you, oh, 1 or 2 gallons. Nah, you better bet 4 or 5. Because these longer coaches and my 40-footer, I never winterize my 40-foot diesel pusher. I just leave the hydronic heater system run all winter. The refrigerator stays on pretty much all the time, too. All right, now, glad we come out there. We're getting ready to suck air. Look at that. We don't have that much more left. Well, I got plenty of antifreeze. I'm getting ready to buy a 55-gallon drum of this stuff if I can get it cheaper. Remember, I got to remove that big shelf over on that one wall. I'm going to run another 50-amp service in here so I can have people stop by. I got one already and a 30. All right, so let me put my plug back in. All right, you see how you put your fingers around there? That's it right there. You just hand tighten this, okay? All right, so that's pretty good right there. I don't know what that was. All right, there's the cat. That's my mouse catcher. Since I've had her, she no mice in here. I saw. All right, so here we are. Beautiful, Beautiful coach. I like the white accents, how the chair is. This goes down. All right, here we go. We're going to go in the bathroom, the commode. All right, so turn that on again. That's pretty pink right there. Shut that off. All right, here we go. We're going to do the toilet. All right. Oh, there you go. Let's get that in there. Pinky and flush. And pinky fill. I'll leave a little bit of that in there. All right, one more time for this guy. All right, so there you go. All right, let's close that. I got a little bit out there. I'm good to go. That's locked. Remember, we did that down there. We'll just do one more here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. A little bit of squirt, but it's okay. All right, folks. That's your winterization of a 2011 Tiffin Breeze. It's got the V8 diesel in it. Duramax, I think it is. All right. Max Force. I'm sorry, Max Force. I work on every type of RV out there. Engine, transmission, drivability, brakes, ABS, inverters. I even fix some inverters because some of them you can't get no more. The older ones. I'm back there in the late 80s on working on some of these old beasts. Beautiful though. Love them. Love what I do. Remember, folks, this is a winterization. Just real basic. I showed you how to hook up to the suction side of the water pump. All right, so you can watch all your winterization videos. Okay, right there. Remember, I hooked up to that guy in there. Okay, now I'm going to take that off, put my other hose on. So, here we go. Remember, 4 ways to get a hold of me. One is Seaford Delaware, 19973. I got this big garage right here and put 2 45-footers in if we have to, but probably ain't going to open all 4 slides. One 45-footer, open up all the slides, have plenty of room to walk around, pull slides out, repair them. Do it all here. So the other way is the famous Facebook page. Thank you, folks. We have won over 15,000 members, and we're not even 3 years old yet, and that'll be March 13th. And here it is, November 24th, 2020. So thank you very much. It's RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The other way to get a hold of me is one-on-one. You and I'm watching what you're doing. Very successful program. It's taken off. That is www.rvdiagnostics.com. Remember, that's one-on-one. There is a membership fee. I'm getting ready to get rid of the basic membership and just go one flat fee for everybody. And that's just how it is, folks. We have a blast. There's plenty of people in the announcement section on the Facebook page. It'll tell you how this works. Not only are you going to figure out one thing, but you'll be able to take that knowledge, how to use meters and tools and all, and apply it to something else in your RV and even your car. I got some people out there working on their cars. And I teach scanners and all that, okay? Now, the last way you probably get a hold of me is the YouTube channel, which you're watching right now. Look down in the comment section. There'll be links to tools and everything, and the website will have a direct link for that. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics with a winterizing tip. Thank you.